Everyone is talking about energy healing these days. You've heard the buzz about how we are all connected. Different views of this beautiful world. There are complex energy system fuels and connects everyone and everything. When we apply this energy as medicine, we can drive our lives in better and more positive directions, toward healthier, happier, more enriched lives. Energy healing forms on every level of your life, physically, mentally, emotionally, and spiritually. Let's start with your body, the superhighway of energy currents. From ancient Chinese, Aztec, and Native American cultures to university physics programs, scholars throughout history have understood the flow through the body and have a profound impact on its systems. Listen to this story. Energy medicine came into my life with a bang. I was in my mid-20s when I heard a doctor say to me, "You have cancer." What a shock. The docs gave me a few months before I have radical surgery for cancer, so I immediately set to work to take it in other ways. That exploration led me to an energy healer. In our third session together, I felt a meaningful shift take place, and sure enough, the cancer was gone. I was sold on energy healing. Then there's your mind, which actually processes energy. Tiny electrical impulses transfer information across neurons and form the foundation of thoughts. By approaching habitual beliefs and mental guides from an energetic perspective, you can release your creativity and live each day with clarity and purpose. That's the nature of energy healing therapy. When it comes to your emotions, they are neither random nor reactive to your environment. Your feelings are connected by the flow of energy through your body, the energy centers known as chakras. Clearing these pathways will guide to happy, productive days and a warm, open heart. As you harness the power of energy healing to feel stronger, clearer, and more joyful, you will continue to start upon your deepening spiritual journey, opening the door to new elevations of understanding the nature of the cosmos and the energy of the unseen world, as well as your own inner spiritual essence. So what can energy healing affect for you? We've got 5 reasons why you'll want to start about this enthralling field. Energy healing can help you. 1. Release old behaviors. Energy healing helps you find the root of your problems. Release any old, habitual thinking and behaviors that are keeping you from experiencing peace, health, connection, and joy in your life. Want to lose weight, stop smoking, or kick an addiction? Try energy medicine. 2. Restore your health. When you put your mind to use through energy healing, you can treat serious diseases like cancers and chronic conditions and repair old muscular and skeletal injuries. You can also restore balance to the underlying systems of your body, such as metabolism and circulation, and improve overall wellness and immunity. 3. Achieve any goal. When using energy healing, you can develop a success mentality that drives you to abundance. You can release old feelings like guilt and regret and begin to overcome fears that hold you back. Then you'll be able to restore your self-confidence from the inside out. 4. Live a more peaceful life. You can reduce the pain of depression and find joy again in everyday life by releasing stress and anxiety. Energy healing will help you get to the root of your anger, so you can move forward toward compassion and understanding and begin living a more peaceful life. 5. Find your sense of purpose. Energy healing gives your life a deep and solid sense of purpose and meaning. It stimulates your natural intuition to guide you in positive ways and empowers your connections to all of the people in your life. Energy healing is a powerful tool when you apply the techniques. We can teach you with an open, curious heart and mind. We hope you'll start your healing journey today by looking inward and being open to receive. Check the link below to find more.